Hello learners and welcome to U.S. History, Reconstruction to Present, week 37. It is actually our last week of school, which is absolutely crazy. The year flew by for sure, even with COVID-19 and everything else that was going on, or is going on. So this week you're going to complete units 11.23, 24, 25, 29, and 30. And I did decide to take out the final exam, the semester final exam. After much consideration, I decided it wasn't in our best interest, nor did we really have enough time to do it, and it was best just to finish up at 11.30. Now, if you did do the final exam already, the semester exam, and you're happy with your score, you know, we're definitely going to leave it. If you aren't happy with your score and would like to either redo it, or you just want me to take it out and it won't help you or harm you, I can definitely do that as well. Just make sure you reach out and let me know. Okay, so our learning target for the week is I can successfully understand the benefits of a higher education degree such as a technology school, 2 or 4 year college, or joining the military. So have you ever thought about what your future might look like after high school? You can share with me what you envision below. So what are you thinking? Are you thinking maybe even doing the VOTEC if you haven't yet, if there's still time, a trade school, maybe community college or a 4-year college, maybe the military? All these are really great options, so you can share what you're thinking. So I want you to read the lessons for the week, and there's actually a really great article called 6 Reasons Why Continuing Education is Important. So I'd like you to look at that. It's short, it's sweet, full of great information. Then after looking through the lesson, what are some benefits of furthering your education? And then just make sure you complete 11.23, like I said, 11.24, 11.25, 11.29, and 11.30. Okay, thank you guys so much, and it was great working with you this school year. Make sure you finish strong. You have until Friday at midnight to complete any work. And if you need anything reset or need help with anything, definitely reach out to me. I would love for every one of you to get everything successfully done. Remember, our goal is 100% completion with at least a 70 or above in the class, okay? So take care, have a wonderful summer, and like I said, please let me know if you need anything at all. Okay, bye.